Continue. I go to talk about my life goals. Um, Number one, uh, I wish a life in Bogota, and now uh, I live in my town, Palmito. In the future, I would like in Bogota. Number two, I was spoke uh, better English in English, and now so. Um, but in the future, uh, I wish spoke English better. Number three, I wish learn French, of course, and now so English, Spanish, believe good. I think that. Mm, Number four, I wish I have more clothes in my closet. Obviously, I like. Um, I am woman. I like clothes in my clothes. Number five, if I were a boy, I would be a policeman. I have two. I have two children. Uh, would you like policeman in the future? In the now, a little. Number six, if I live in Bogota, I would be rural. And now, I live in Palmito town. I wish I drove the car. Number eight, if I drove the car, I will go to the beach all weekend. All weekend. In the beach, um, it's beautiful, wonderful. Number nine, if I were Manuel, I will have many friends. Number three, number 10, I wish I have read 2,000 thousand years the soleil. It's the book wonderful, magical, and beautiful. Magic realities. Thank you.